PLRZ stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy? Is Polyrizon stock a buy? I'll be breaking it all down in this brief short 1-minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space with actual 43,000 video track record. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point of actually knowing what's working for me and what's not. All the data is collected and documented on my YouTube channel. So you don't have to really freaking spend tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors like I did. For me, this is a bullish market, and genuinely speaking, the only thing that I'm looking to do is just double down on this. All right, got the first break. This is interesting. I'm not just going to immediately buy. I mean, I hope I just see the price pulling down a bit lower and giving me the confirmation. Because if that's not the case, then I'm just not going to rent. Okay, yeah, pre-market is even lower. So I just hope I see some sort of like great pull down. So I can kind of capitalize and then, you know, hopefully get involved. The key part here is that in trading, there's two games. There's getting inside the trade game and there's managing the trade game. You cannot go second step without the first one, so we're in the first one still. It's very simple, right? And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.